everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Molly and I've been doing the 12 days of Vlogmas and we're already on day 7, which is so crazy. Welcome to my little slice of pie here on the internet. I hope you decide to stick around and hit the subscribe button. It is free, and like this video if you like it because it helps my channel grow into a beautiful sunflower. So without further introduction, basically today's video is just gonna be a clean with me. My room is like half messy organized, half just mess. Like a little mini tornado went through and just messed up certain parts of my room. I know that this is something that a lot of people go through. There's always like one area in your room that kind of ends up getting messy, and for me it's my dresser and my vanity. I just have a lot of furniture in this room for the size of the room I have, so it feels like I'm always like in a maze. So when there is a mess, it just gives me a lot of anxiety and just stresses me out. So I wanted to show you and be real with you. Hopefully this will give you some motivation, some inspiration to clean a spot in your house or bedroom. Let's just get into it and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're working with. It's bad and really it's not going to take me too long to do it, so that's why we're going to do it today. Let's just get into it. Oh my gosh, my nail just popped off in my hair. I am leaving that in there. Alright, anyways, I know how nasty all that dust was, and the funny thing is I do dust this. Not as much as I should, but often enough. But my room, I've noticed, gets really, I don't know if it's just really drafty or something, but it gets dusty very, very fast. So that's something that I'm going to add to my cleaning routine when I get a cleaning routine down, is to dust more, because it's nasty. And I think that will just improve the air quality too in my room, making sure that there's not a lot of dust lingering around. But yeah, especially in this area, it just gets really, really dusty and my hair is always everywhere. So I'm glad that I cleaned that off, and then I'm going to clean the mirror off. There are some spots from like old stickers and stuff that just aren't going to come off on the mirror. I've tried, but otherwise I feel pretty good. It smells good and I know it's clean now. I use this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. It's in the Snowdrop scent. I don't know if I was really supposed to use this on wood, but it seems okay. And then the scrubby thing, or this can just be used on its own, but it's just by Norwex. And it has the scrubby side and then it has the duster side. So I just use that. But I'm going to put everything back and try and reorganize it. I'll probably play around with how it looks, and I just want it to look nice. So let's get into that portion of the cleaning. Okay, so as you can see in the mirror shot, my laundry basket is overflowing, so I need to do that today too. I probably won't film that just because it's just laundry, but if you do want to see that in another future clean with me, let me know and comment down below. And also comment down below a pink heart if you've made it this far. And I am going to now clean off my dresser. So this shouldn't take too long either. I do have a ton of stuff on my bed from my vanity that I need to put elsewhere, so I'll figure that out. But I just thought I would show you the before and after, and then now we'll get on to the dresser. Okay, so I'm all done cleaning up. I am going to put some stuff away in my closet, but my closet is hard to get to because my laundry basket's in the way. And my laundry basket is overflowing like I stated before, so I need to tackle that first before I put everything else away. And everything does have a place, and if it doesn't, then I'm going to donate some stuff. Like I have in the past several months, I've been donating a lot of things. More and more every time I go through my room, and you're slowly teetering over. I apologize. So that is today's Vlogmas. I hope that you enjoyed, and I just did some minimal cleaning that was needed in my room, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!